Hello, my name is Etienne, and I will be presenting my final task on emotional design. I started off by choosing my design brief, which I chose to be an adjustable hanging lamp. This lamp was designed to be adjusted and rotated to project the required light by just pulling a cord. This is the mood board that I came up with. My inspiration comes from our own heritage, that of Malta, cross which was eventually integrated into the concept design. The form will take a geometric shape that will be adjusted by a mechanism inside the lamp itself. The type of light aims to bring calmness to the user depending on the mood and what the person intends to light it up for. The scenario that I'm focusing on is having the lamp in a bedroom while doing activities, like relaxing on the bed and reading. Other activities like watching TV or studying, working also correlate with lighting up such lamp. The materials I chose are cardboard and plywood, together with frosted type light and a bulb holder. Also, a metal wire, a neon white pull cord and a pipe for the electric wire were needed. As for the manufacturing process, first the bulb was attached to a square plate made out of wood, and a hole was drilled in the middle for the electric cable to pass through. Two hooks on each of the four sides were attached, drilled and then glued using a hot glue gun. Hooks were also placed on each side of the lamp cover. The cover was connected to the square plate by fabricating links made out of metal wire. A piece of string was attached to the lamp cover, and the end coming from the top was passed through the pipe at the center of the lampshade. As already shown in the video clip, the product works by pulling from the long end string for the product to close while pulling the short end for it to open. As a result, the intensity of the light can be adjusted. The hanging lampshade gives a feeling of surprise when you open it. This slide is providing a photograph of the product on the left and an artistic view of the lamp on the right to support and appreciate my concept more. As for technical drawings, given here are details of the side view and the orthographic projection of the prototype. This is a close-up view of the connection details of the wire metal, as you can observe above. In order to get the desired feedback on the product, the effectiveness and ineffectiveness of emotions brought up when the lamp was in use had to be identified. This was done by referring to the Geneva Emotional Wheel, whereby I provided a survey composed of 4 simple questions to analyze how possible users will appreciate the design in terms of emotions. Here is the draft of the survey, and these are all the 40 responses that I gathered. As you can observe from the results provided in the slide, the greatest rating was given to the emotion of interest, followed by admiration and other positive feelings. Although some negative feelings were also felt, there was not apparent in many users that took the survey. To show the effectiveness from the comments, these were highlighted in green, whilst comments giving criticism in red. Most of the users' responses included that the design is very creative, innovative, original, and unexpected. Answers also gave an indication of a calming surrounding environment, inspired by nature. It is also mentions that the design is wisely manufactured to bring comfort. One would appreciate having it in his household and would mostly use it while reading or watching TV before they sleep. The concept idea was highest rating was that of the actual design and function. 80% of the users that took the survey would buy the product, hence indicating that my prototype was highly liked. As for positive and critical reviews from the general public, there were some factors to be highlighted and related together. For a better understanding of the product, maybe I could have edited the video more professionally and also gotten rid of the background noises. Overall, the reviews were satisfactory and the form follows function of the product went well with the users.